Hi there and welcome back. Have you ever seen those candles that have no body or a tiny real body on the chart? These candles can indicate indecision between buyers and sellers in the market. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about two candlestick patterns, the morning star and the evening star. If you haven't seen the videos about other patterns and you want to learn candlestick from scratch, you can start with the above video. The sections of this video are as follows. First, we are going to talk about what is the morning and evening star. And then we are going to talk about what makes these two patterns stronger. Then we have some examples on the real chart. Then I'm going to introduce you my TradeX trading assistant tool and candlestick pattern indicator, which will help you to find those patterns easily and trade efficiently. And at last, we have a conclusion. So feel free to skip to any of these sections, but I recommend to watch the video from the beginning. Please, before starting the video, like and subscribe to our channel. So let's talk about how we can spot a morning star pattern. At first, we have a downtrend. You may ask, how should I recognize a downtrend? The answer is that we should check whether the candle we are looking at has the lowest price over the last X candles. We implemented this in our indicator. Second, the left candle should be an extended bearish candle. This means that the left candle should be larger than the last X candles or be among the top 10% of them. Third, the middle candle has small real body or no real body. And you may ask how to recognize this. The answer is the candle should have no real body or it should be among the smallest 10% of last X candles. Condition number 4 is that there should be a gap between the left or first candle with the middle candle or second candle. And at last, the right candle should be bullish and its size shouldn't be small. That means it should be among the 40% largest last candles. So now let's talk about the evening star. The first condition is there should be an uptrend, and then we have an extended bullish candle, then again small candle which has no real body or really tiny real body, and then again a bearish candle. It is exactly the same as morning star, but it's completely reversed. Here I have to say that there are three conditions that there is no gap between the left candle and the middle candle, and those three conditions are in Forex market where there are no or minor gaps. Second, some 24/7 symbols, and third, in intraday chart like minute time frames that they are continuous. Okay, now I want to show you some real examples on the chart. Here, this is the last signal we have on gold on 1 hour time frame. Here we have a morning star. This is a downtrend, large extended bearish candle, a really small candle which has a very tiny real body, and after that we have a bullish candle. You know, there is no gap between this bearish candle and this middle candle, and the reason is we are on intraday chart. Here there is a bad signal. Here in this example we can see a downtrend, an extended bearish candle, a doji candle, and by doji I mean there is no real body, and after that we have a bullish candle. So here we have a morning star. So now let's talk about our candlestick indicator. This indicator has a dashboard which you can see there is a swing, and after that we have some candlestick patterns like hammer, hanging man, engulfing, dark cloud, piercing, morning star, and evening star. I will develop this indicator day by day, but until now we have these patterns. You can see that these two, morning star and evening star, are checked, so we can see the arrows. By clicking on this checkbox and unchecking that, you can see that these arrows are appearing and disappearing. But what if I click on other patterns? You can see other patterns in the chart, like here we have engulfing, two engulfings. So with this indicator, you can easily see candlestick patterns without spending time to find them. And of course, there is another condition, which when a new candlestick patterns comes on the chart or it appears, it will send an alert on your chart if your system is on, if the chart is open, and it will send a notification to your phone right away, exactly when the signal is appearing. We have another product, which is TradeX, Trade Assistant and Trade Manager, which has different parts. It has trade, prop firm, alert, time, and analytics. Each one of them has a lot of different details, but until now I've finished the trade window. It will be more developed after some time, but until now it's usable. You can use it. It has 4 different tabs: open, manage, close, and more, and you can easily enter a trade, close your trade, manage them, and everything you want to do. So if you are interested in these two products, if you want to test them or buy them, you can go to MQL5 website. If you don't know how to find them, you can click on the first and the second link in the description. And if you don't know how to buy a product on mql5.com website, you can watch the above video. So in this video, we learned how to spot the morning and the evening star, what conditions intensify these two patterns, and which indicator and which tool will help you to find them easily and trade efficiently. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and in the comments let me know which topic are you mostly interested in. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.